Title: Pineapple Odyssey, A Creative Journey. Pineapple Odyssey is a visually stunning and creatively crafted documentary that takes viewers on a whimsical and artistic exploration of the pineapple through innovative storytelling techniques, animation, music, and unexpected perspectives. This documentary reimagines the pineapple as a symbol of creativity and imagination. The art of pineapples. The film begins with a visual feast of pineapple art, showcasing paintings, sculptures, and other artistic interpretations of pineapples from around the world. The audience is invited to appreciate the pineapple as a symbol of creativity and inspiration. Animation adventure. Pineapple Odyssey transitions into. Viewers follow the adventures of a charming pineapple character named Piney. Piney embarks on a journey through different art styles and historical periods, each inspired by the pineapple's cultural significance. Musical pineapples. The documentary incorporates a musical segment where pineapples are turned into musical instruments. Pineapple xylophones, drums, and even a pineapple orchestra create a symphony of delightful sounds. Pineapple poetry. Through spoken word and poetry, the film explores the emotional and metaphorical aspects of pineapples. Poets and performers use pineapples as a symbol to convey themes of love, growth, and transformation. Culinary dreams. Pineapples are showcased as ingredients in imaginative and exotic dishes prepared by innovative chefs. The documentary highlights the fusion of flavors and cultural influences in pineapple-based cuisine. Historical fantasy. Pineapple Odyssey takes viewers on a time-traveling adventure, imagining the pineapple's role in different historical events, from ancient feasts to royal banquets. These reenactments are filled with humor and creativity. Pineapple dreamscape. The documentary delves into the dreams people have about pineapples through a mix of animation and interviews with dream experts. It explores the symbolism and meanings behind these dreamscapes. Global Pineapple Parade. The film concludes with a vibrant and colorful pineapple parade, featuring people from various cultures around the world, all celebrating the pineapple in their unique ways.